Well, good morning. Well, good morning to you. Guess what time it is? I don't know, it's about 7 a.m. here in southeastern Virginia. And we had rain all night. We didn't have any rain the past couple weeks. We sure got a lot and we needed it. And but guess what? It's gonna be a beautiful day later. I got these little strips of plywood on here, top and bottom. Got the elevator horn on down there. Got the Aileron horn right there. Got it on. Got the wing turned around on the workbench. These were the last two pieces to complete the wooden construction on the airplane. Been a long time, been a year. I still got to glue on little bracket that holds the flapper on. I got it standing by, but I want to get the wings on and see where the elevators lie and all that before I attach that flapper on attachment. I might want to raise it up or down a little bit. And then I still got to make some metal brackets, put on the end of the axles for the struts. And that's all the rest of the fabrication building I got to do on this plane. It's been a long time. I'm pretty glad to say that. So I'm gonna pull staples on this. I got a lot of sanding and edging and all kinds of stuff and smoothing and all that and inspecting. Then I'm gonna stick this on the wing, see how it fits, see what kind of clearance I got and all that, and do some more sanding on the wing, get it all ready. Then I'm going to do the varnishing thing, and it'll take me a day or two to get it all varnished up. Then I'm gonna throw the other wing back on the bench and recut them rear tail feathers on the end of the wing, the back pieces a little bit, and give myself a little more clearance on that to match this one. I don't know if you remember, I cut this one down to 1 inch right here. The other one is 1.25 inches. And I had to do a lot of sanding on it to get clearance, and it's still minimal clearance. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do. I hope everything's going your way. We got fall is coming around the corner here. I don't know if you do any hunting, but it's gonna be hunting season here in southeastern Virginia soon. Getting my workshop ready. I'm gonna take this fuselage, as soon as I get the metal brackets done and put them on for the struts, we're gonna wheel it around there in the workshop, cover it with plastic, and we are going to install the wings. I've been looking at the different calculations. The dihedral, 3-degree dihedral, works out to be about 7.5 inches that the wings need to be higher at the end than at the root. I had a staple pulling party yesterday. Had a couple hundred, I think you saw me, a couple hundred staples in this front skin. It went on pretty good. I got one rib that kind of sticks out a little bit. Maybe I should have looked at it a little bit more, not a big deal, but only one rib kept it from being a perfect installation. But I'm not perfect. I don't know about you, but I'm not perfect. Anyway, we'll go ahead and fit this up in just a minute.